To succeed we need to unite. First we need to unite with self. Second, unity with those around you. Third, unity with a higher power. Presenting the Unite Challenge with Jason Fladlien, we unite live. No credit card needed. No one-time offers or cross-sells on the next page. No assault on your email inbox. No shenanigans. All I ask is you commit your attention to the cause. I want to, for free, share with you over 7 days the key 7 lessons I've found when it comes to unity. First, unity with self. A house divided amongst itself cannot stand. If part of you wants to get wealthy but the other part of you has guilt associated with riches, you will be in perpetual pain. Every single obstacle you have right now is caused by some incongruence from within. We'll get these parts of you pointed and running in the same direction. Second, unity with those around you. I believe everyone who desires to be ethically wealthy has it within them to do so. But you can't do it alone. The more you can unite others, the more value you provide. Ethical wealth means you create much more value than the money exchanged to get that value. I'll share with you the insights to make this happen. Third, unity with a higher power. No matter what you believe, there is something greater going on here than just us. Ever felt at one with nature? Nature means every living thing around you. That collective spirit is the higher power. I call it God, but that may just be semantics. I don't think you can quantify it or qualify it with language. But there is an invisible power out there that, if you are in flow with it, electrifies you mind, body and soul. Do you feel there is more of you than is showing up currently? Then this movement was made for you. Who isn't allowed in this movement?
If you're cynical, you're not wanted here.
Pity is not allowed. Excuses must be left at the door. I refuse to let you sell yourself short. Attitude is contagious and a can't-do attitude will poison my movement, so stay out. No matter if you're poor, tired, sick, old or beaten down. I will take you in and embrace you as long as you have even the slightest bit of hope. That tomorrow can be better and a desire to try for it. This isn't a grassroots movement. This is a below-the-soil movement. I am sounding the alarms of the movement far and wide. And it is by fate I have reached you in hopes that you're the hero that I need, nay, that we need. Are you up for the challenge?